Welcome to the Learning Modern C++ Functional Programming by Wisnu Angoro, a video course by Pact Publishing. I am Andy Morris and I will be Wisnu's voice for this course. Wisnu Angoro is a Microsoft certified professional in C# programming and an experienced C++ developer. He has also authored the books Boost.aco C++ Network Programming 2nd edition and Functional C# by Pact. He has been programming since he was in junior high school and started developing computer applications using the basic programming language in the MS-DOS environment. He has solid experience in smart card programming, as well as desktop and web application programming, including designing, developing, and supporting the use of applications for SIM card operating system porting, personalization, PC-SC communication, and other smart card applications that require the use of C# and C++. He is currently a senior smart card software engineer at Kipta, an Indonesian company that specializes in innovation and technology for smart cards. He can be reached through his email at wisnu@angoro.net. Let me brief you about this course. Functional programming allows developers to divide programs into smaller reusable components that eases the creation, testing, and maintenance of software as a whole. Combined with the power of C++, you can develop robust and scalable applications that fulfill modern-day software requirements. This course will help you discover all C++ 17 features that can be applied to build software in a functional way. So now let's have a look what we have got in store for this course in detail. Section 1. Getting started with Lambda for C++. This section helps us to learn in detail about the Lambda expression. We will see its implementation as this is one of the new and best features in modern C++. Section 2. Manipulating functions in functional programming. It covers the essential techniques in functional programming to manipulate a function. They are the first-class function technique, pure function, and currying technique. Section 3. Applying immutable state to the function. It explains how we implement the immutable object for the mutable object. We will also delve into first-class functions and pure functions, which we saw in the previous section, to produce an immutable object. Section 4. Repeating method invocation using recursive algorithm. This section shows the difference between iteration and recursion, and why recursion techniques are better for functional programming. We will also enumerate the 3 kinds of recursion: functional, procedural, and backtracking recursion. Section 5. Procrastinating the execution process using lazy evaluation. It starts by explaining how to delay the process of execution to get more efficient code. We will also implement caching and memoization techniques to make our code run faster. Section 6. Creating and debugging application in functional approach. It elaborates on all the techniques we saw previously on how to design functional programming. Also, we will try to debug the code to find a solution if there are unexpected results or the program crashes in the middle of execution. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey together, and I hope you will enjoy the ride.